In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe Acrobat Reader app. By the end, you'll have the official PDF reader installed and ready to go, without any confusion or detours. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. It can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, whichever you use regularly. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the download doesn't stall midway. In the address bar, or the search box, type Adobe Acrobat Reader and press Enter. Take a moment to look carefully at the results. You want the official Adobe website, which clearly mentions Download Adobe Acrobat Reader. Avoid third-party sites or anything that looks suspicious or has misleading wording. Sticking to the official page ensures you get the latest, safest version. Click the result that takes you to the download page for Adobe Acrobat Reader. On that page, you'll usually see a big download button front and center. Before you click it, glance over any options on the page. Sometimes there are optional offers, like extra tools or partner software. If you don't need them, you can usually deselect those checkboxes. Confirm that the page has detected your operating system correctly. If not, you can typically select the right one from a menu. Now, click Download. Your browser will start downloading the installer file. Depending on your connection, this might take a moment. Watch the bottom of your browser window, your Downloads bar, or your Downloads folder to see the file appear. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a location you can easily find, like your desktop or Downloads folder. Once the download finishes, run the installer. You can do this by clicking the file directly from your browser's Downloads area, or by opening your Downloads folder and double-clicking the installer. If your system shows a permission prompt asking if you want to allow changes, choose Yes or Continue. This is normal for trusted installers. Follow the on-screen instructions in the setup window. The installer will guide you through the process, and most users can stick with the default settings. Let it download any required components and wait for the progress to complete. When it finishes, the installer may open Adobe Acrobat Reader automatically, or you can find it in your applications list and open it from there. That's it. You opened your browser, searched for Adobe Acrobat Reader, chose the official download page, clicked Download, and ran the installer. You're now ready to open PDFs confidently with the official reader. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly installed app.